Good morning, welcome to this week's edition of Money Talks. I'm Brad King, Portfolio Manager here at Armytage. Been on the aeroplane for the last couple of days, which has been fantastic to get out of Melbourne. Big shout out to Ord Minnett for putting on the East Coast Mining Conference. It was well supported and well represented and really got a lot out of it. A couple of key highlights for companies we've seen in the last few weeks have been partly through the conference up in Sydney and focusing on the electronic vehicles and battery minerals. So starting off with nickel mines, we caught up with them, which has been a great investment for Armytage over some time. Looking at continuing to develop its nickel assets and production facilities and its RKF lines through Indonesia with its partner in China in Tsingshan. That's a bit of a problem for us at the moment. We're still a bit cautious on that development with the relationship into China at the moment. But it's certainly a company that we keep an eye on. It's a $3.4 billion company that not too many people know well, but certainly one to keep on your radar. Going through another position that we own in the funds, which has done really well in the last few weeks, is Alamos. So focusing on the tin market, which is basically going into anything with an electronic, so your semiconductors, electronic devices, anything that basically makes a decision. So tin price, along with many of the other battery metals, has run really hard, and this is a project based in Spain with also another tin and tungsten opportunity in Tasmania as well. So it's one we own heavily across our clients and will continue to be active in the next few months. We also saw Ioneer, a lithium and boron miner. So really looking to expand the different types of investments we have in the space. This one's based just in Nevada, so really close to the Tesla and Panasonic gigafactory there. So I think that has some great opportunities. Aeon Metals as well, from the former MD of Panos, which was taken over by the Chinese metals company. Again, looking at this one's sort of got a portfolio of nickel, cobalt, zinc, silver as well. Looking at trying to create a diversified portfolio of base metals in its group. Then we went to some of the bigger companies, so Ord Minnett, Regis Resources and 29 Metals, really focusing on their copper gold project. One thing that was really interesting from Evolution was its old mine at Mount Rawdon and looking to potentially convert that into a pumped hydro asset, which is based in Queensland. So really looking at some alternatives within its own gold portfolio. Also caught up with G6, which is tungsten group metals, so down in Tasmania, part of Tasmania, just off the coast in King Island, and looking at reopening a mine that has been developed hasn't been developed since the mid-90s, so they're dewatering that and looking to use that as a tungsten mine. So lots on the go at the moment. We're trying to see as many analysts and companies as we can. Again, once again, thanks to Ord Minnett for hosting us up in Sydney, and we'll catch you next time on Money Talks.